Nice, nice, all wheels are spinning. Welcome folks to the best off-road channel in Lithuania. Here professionals take on the toughest terrains and they know exactly what they are doing.
Hello everyone, time for a second test drive with Range Rover L322. This time we're going to some forest roads. Forest is a bit frozen, but there are still some mud. Okay, let's get out of this mess and we'll see what is waiting for us.
It's winter already, the forest is a bit frozen, so there's no much mud left. But don't worry, we'll find some trouble. I'm confident we can dig up a challenge, even if it's just a little thrill of it. We are heading to a forest road, where earlier this spring I might have drowned the Range Rover a little bit. It's been 6 months and I'm curious. Has winter frozen the challenge or will it be easier this time? On the other hand, this summer loggers work here, so the roads are likely a mess, thanks to their heavy machinery. We'll see. Whoa, look at this river crossing. Whoops, sorry about the splash. Are you worried about catching the car? Nah, not really. I feel worse for Justas. He's been running around like crazy.
Sveiki.
Alright, we arrived. Oh, this spot is impassable. Pure disaster mode. The ground is frozen and there's no skid plate protection underneath the rover. Let's stick to the classics. I came, I saw, I turned around. Let's tease our YouTube viewers a little. I came all the way out here and I did absolutely nothing. This is the very same puddle where we got stuck last time. Further ahead, the one we looked and said, you know what, forget it. We are not going in here. Sure, we could try going around it, but honestly, why loggers ruin such a perfectly good trail? Nasty spot. I think we need waders to get through this puddle.
Bet žinai, kas yra blogiausia, mano galva vis tiek galvoja, aš čia pravažiuočiau.
Nu, bet tą pravažiuoji ten kaip ir normaliau jau.
Da čia normaliau.
I'll admit, I chickened out. We are avoiding the logger ruts and searching for something a little less adventurous. But hey, if any of you feel brave enough to challenge this trail, drop me a message on Instagram or Messenger. I'll gladly guide you here and watch you tackle it. Who knows, maybe I'll even join in. Just need to get some underbody protection first. We made it. Let's see if a poor car holds up. Unless of course someone has magically fixed the road. Then it's just boring. Heads up, I don't have snorkel, so let's just pray for the best.
Nežinau. Važiuojam.
First gear without low range. There's gonna be a lot of revving to keep from getting stuck. Maybe second gear after all? Easy.
su palėtinti?
Ne. Gal?
Bet būtų lietaus palėję, būtų jau viskas šragas.
Short stop, clearing a path. Looks like some quad bikers made their own route through the fallen tree. I hope you don't mind me moving it.
Sveiki.
No need to rush.
Įpročiai. Toli nevažiuosim.
Who knows how deep this puddle is? Could be nothing, could be deep. Let's find out.
Gal ir ne. Gerai, kitą balą, nežinau. Tada nepamaišytų priekinę kamerą, kad matyčiau, kur ratai. Dabar taip. Baterija. Nice, net prasisuko viskas, kas galėjo prasisukti. Įšalas mums turėtų padėti. Nieko baisaus. Nu va, įsijungiau palėtintoje, kad ramiai per purvyną lipti. Įdomu pažiūrėti. Visą dieną be palėtintoje. Galiu pasakyti visai.
Ne. Pas Joną taip nesijaučia.
Varysim prieš srovę. Tavęs nereik pervežti, tu praeisi.
Batus nusiplausiu kaip tik.
Važiuojam per Kražantės brastą. Šlieta, ramiai. A gilu? Atrodo gilu.
Straighten up, to the right, gas it, floor it, floor it.
Gaza. Easy.
Wow, that was easier than I thought. Well, now we got water in the cabin. Well, that escalated quickly. This light off-road adventure nearly ended successfully. I did smack the Range Rover's exhaust pipe though, and now the connection's broken. Exhaust fumes are pouring into the cabin, and the engine feels like it's lost half its horsepower. Time to head home. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!
A čia tau rimtesnį iššūkį. Nes biški tingiu droną čia.
Man nieks nemoku už tai visų pirma.
Kaip tai nemok? O
Tai važiuok,
nemokėjai?
važiuok, ne.
Ne?
Ne, tu čia žodžiau, varyk.